besties! So this is the first vlog of our day in the life of a stay-at-home wife whose husband is off at work. Before everything else, we have to prepare ourselves muna. So here you can see I'm doing my skincare kasi kagabi naligo na ako. Nagbasa na ako ng hair, so no need today. Love.
Hi.
Kaboses ko yan. Char. And eto na nga, we are on our way to Lloydminster. It's about 45 minutes away from Paradise Hill where we live, and these are the views. Those are actually cows, diba? Kulay brown and black sa atin white. And very flat lang siya here. Maganda naman yung view. Ang i-film ko today is, what do you think? Ano very good. Sabi ko, what do you think will I vlog today?
Yeah, very good. Cool.
Like anong about?
Very good.
It's a day in the life.
Very good.
Okay, very good. Oh, ang ganda. Yes. Ayan, so road trip muna tayo, more nature views, and alam niyo ba guys, sobrang ganda ng view nito kapag winter kasi everything that you see now, all the green, they turn into white kasi nga yung mga snow. So ayan, wala lang, vibes and vibes lang kami ng husband ko. Mahilig kaming makinig sa OPM. So right now, pinapakinggan namin is si Sponge Cola. Yeah, ang favorite namin na kanta niya is yung Kay Tagal Kitang Hinintay. And eto na nga, papasok na tayo sa medical building.
Hi guys, this is
Rensmark.
the husband.
Yeah. So katatapos ng check-up niya. Ay, ultrasound pala.
Ultrasound,
Yeah. And gutom na ako. So, kailangan namin kumain. Kasi tumutunog yung tiyan ko kanina, like, ang lakas. Tapos nahiya ako, tapos ang daming tao. So, isa pa. Tapos sabi ko, nalabas na ako. Funny. Mr. Bills. So, hindi naman Filipino yung may-ari na ito, diba? Is it Filipino? Hindi.
I don't think so.
Tayo ay papasok na. Huh? Yeah.
Ito na yung...
Tayo na yun. Thank you, love. Avocado salad. Iba naman daw. So yung drinks.
So yung drinks? Ito lang.
Goodbye, full storage.
Time lang.
Hindi. Of course, like, hindi na siya. Tawag dito, parang iba yung salad nila kayo.
Greek salad yun eh.
Ah, okay.
Caesar yung akin.
Ah, okay. Parang ang hirap yung I don't know kung parang siya ako. Sarap. Hindi ko naintindihan yung kayo. Yung English kasi. Hindi ko naintindihan yung English kasi ang bilis.
Okay.
Magsalita. Hindi ko alam kung ano.
Ako naman nung una.
Ah?
Okay nung una. Pero nung second question na paano ka na? Ano yung ano?
Ang bilis.
Yung sa side. Kung ano side na gusto mo.
Hindi. Kung yung before. Kung isa-serve before.
Yun lang.
Kasi yung parang sabi sa'yo, isa-serve before the meal. So, nalito na ako. Kasi parang lutang ako. Gano'n. Akala ko ikaw lang kinatanong.
Oo.
Bigla ba naman akong tanong? Pero hindi, parang mabilis din farming.
Alam mo yung meme na ano, di ba?
Pagkakataon.
Pinakita mo.
Alam,
Yung pinanaktis na lang, medium rare, gano'n na.
yung sinasabi ni Jessica, hindi so what side do you have?
Ngayon na nga.
Hindi. Mother side? That's so funny.
Yun yung nangyari sa'yo. Diba?
Hoy, hindi ko naman pre-practice yung
Ayaw yata yun siya.
hindi ko naman pre-practice yung ibang, tinignan ko na nga kami yun kung ano yung variety ng potato. Para malaman ko isasagot ko pag tinanong ako. Grabe, like salad pa lang ang dami ng serving. Nabubusog ako agad.
Ang dami ka pang kakainin.
Pwede naman i-take out. Huwag dito. Sakto lang pala, we eat out today kasi it's our monthsary.
I have
Kita lang. Hindi.
Parmesan.
Okay, I'm just gonna pick it up. Chicken parmesan. And then mine is ribs. Then my Greek salad.
This is dangerous. So much cheese. Whatever. It's like eating pizza one in a while, right?
What about this one? Is this good for your cholesterol?
Yung ano,
Ito, the ribs.
parehas lang.
Kahit wag mong ubusin, tas
Half ko lang, no? Tapos iuwi ko na lang.
yeah. And then I'll eat it na lang.
What? This one? You're gonna
Yeah.
eat it? No way.
Why not?
Sarap nito eh. Sarap to.
Signature sauce with its kick of beef and hint of sweet.
Ha?
Paano nila alam yung name ko?
Wait. Sa bayad siguro. Wala. Okay. Unboxing.
Unboxing, guys.
Ano ka? Unbox. Anong tawag dito?
Tumbler cup? I think you can undo the bottom too.
What?
Oh, maybe not. It's for the hand. Fake news. Fake news, everybody.
Ay, ito lang. Taday! Ano nasa loob? So, bakit tayo may ganito? Kasi may points siya from sa bank ba?
Yep.
O, sige na natin. Okay. Anyways, guys.
Mainly sunny and getting hot.
Mag-grocery na kami.
With a chance of
Skip
rain
namin ang
tomorrow.
shopping today.
Highs ranging from 19 tomorrow,
Para makauwi
20
ng
on
maaga.
Friday to
So-
24 on Sunday and 30 on Tuesday.
Sin? Oh, yeah. Yung bag natin. Ang ganda ng ulap today.
Very dark.
Superstar. And before nga kami umuwi, tumaan muna kami for ice cream sa favorite store ko.
Ayan po, si Christine nagda-drive. She's looking great.
Seryoso eh.
Seryoso po siya.
Ano si Bakla?
Focus on the road, labi-dabi.
While you're doing that, double check din ha kasi may
I'm checking the ano, apa.
nasa salon.
Ayan na po, pababa na po kami sa bridge. So, we'll see how it goes.
Lagot at mapipektusan. Oo, magaling siya makipagbiruan pero ang
Itong part na to ng daan namin pa uwi, ito talaga yung medyo kinakabahan ako kasi sobrang steep ng road, tas biglang liliko. And ayun, may mga makakasalubong pang mga malalaking sasakyan, pero all goods naman, basta chill ka lang and like presence of mind. Yeah, well, I'm proud of myself that I was able to do it.
Very nice.
Okay, watch me do it, guys. So this time, yung speed ko is around 75 km per hour na lang from the 100 maximum speed. So I just have to alalay on my brake.
And she did it, guys. Yahoo!
Grabe yung init ng aking hot to doon.
Hot too?
Yeah, pero parang ang bagal itong nasa harap natin.
Para mas matuling ka dun, no? That's good.
Guys!
She did it.
I know!
impressed.
Napasok ko yung sasakyan without
Without my
coaching me.
guidance.
Yeah, it felt great. It's a good drive today. So, yeah, let's see what we're gonna do for the rest of the day.
We're gonna nap, guys.
And then, I wanna play badminton later. We'll see.
Time to test out the blackened salmon. Very good. Dito ko lang.
Dahan-dahan na. Saan ako hawak?
Etong asawa ko, may nakitang trend sa IG and gusto niyang gayahin. So this was us at 2 a.m. trying to do it.
Ipatong mo yung paa mo dun sa ano. Yan. Tingin ka na, dali.
And I guess nagawa naman namin 75% of the trend. So yan, napagkasundoan pa nga namin gawin kinabukasan. And that's all for it today, guys. Thank you for watching.
Gawin natin siya sa dagat tomorrow.